how to do the unboxing and complete setup. Let's do the unboxing. It comes with the cables. Take the printer out of the box. That's the manual. It comes with the 4 ink bottles. Just lift it from here. Now take the printer out of this plastic bag. Remove the tape. Plug in the power cable. Extension, line in, Ethernet cable and a USB cable slot. You can use it for the wired printing and scanning. Switch on the printer so you can press the power button. And the next step is to go to the printer control panel. Select your language, confirm it, enter date, select the time and then press OK. Click OK to start the setup. Next step is to fill the ink tank. Lift this section from here. Open this cap. We have to fill the ink here. So let's start with the yellow. Open the ink bottle. Open the cap and place it here like this. Ink is completely filled in. Take it out, close it, go to the next, open the lid and open this cap and place it here. Once it is filled in, just shake it and take it out, close this cap, open this, place it here. Ink is installed. You can take it out, close it and close this section. Next step is to install the black ink. So go to the left hand side, open the cap and just place it here. Once the ink is filled in, you can take the bottle out, close it and close this section. Now lift this section up and it will close automatically. Click on the OK to start the alignment. Load the paper in the tray 1. Adjust the size. You have to load it for the initial setup. Close it. Go to the display panel. Press OK. It's going to take around 6 to 8 minutes for the alignment, so just wait for that. Next step is to go to the screen again. Click on the next. Click next. If you want to send your data to the Canon, you can agree or you can disagree here and click next. Printer setup is complete. We are ready to use it for the copy, so click next. Click OK. Next step is to do the wireless setup of the printer to connect it with the home or office Wi-Fi network so that we can add it in a smartphone, MacBook or laptop for wireless printing and scanning. Go to the printer display panel. Click on the setting, device setting, LAN setting. Select the first option, Wi-Fi setup. You can use the easy wireless connect, manual connect and WPS push button method. I'm just going to use the manual connect. It displays the list of Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi. Enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Use this touch display to enter the password and press OK. Press OK to apply the password. Printer is connected with the wireless router. Press OK and click on the home screen. Next step is to add this printer in a device for wireless printing and scanning. If you have a smartphone, you can use it. If you want to use it with a laptop or MacBook, you can just download the drivers in that and then you can use it. For smartphone, you can just go to the Canon Print app. You can download this app from the App Store. In the app, we have to add the printer, so click on the printer icon. You can follow the same method for the iPhone. We have to add the printer, so click on the add switch. Select register printer. Select GX7050 series. Instantly it will add up the printer. If you want, you can just start printing the photos. So I'm just going to cancel it as we are not going to print right now. And if you want to learn more about your printer, you can click OK. It will take you to the web browser. So I'm just going to cancel it. In the app, you will see the GX7050 series printer. So that's your printer. And if you want to use it for printing and scanning, you can just start using it. For example, to print a document, I can just select any document from here. Click on the next. If you want to make any changes, you can make the changes here and then you can click on the print icon. Paper output tray is here. That's easy. If you want to do the scanning, again you have to go to the main app of the printer. Go to the home screen. You will see there is a scan option. So if you click on it, it will take you to the scan window. Now you can place a page in the ADF tray here, or you can also use the scanner bed to scan the page. For example, I'm just going to place it here. Automatically it should detect it, so click on the scan. Scan is transferred. You can see your scan page. Now if you want to click on the exit, it will take you to the next page where you can see the image or the PDF is saved. So click OK. Now if you want, you can also share it right now, or you can just go back. And the last thing we can do is the copy. Copy is very easy with this printer. You can use the scanner bed as you can see here, or you can also use the top feeder tray for the copy process. Just place the page here. Go to the display panel and click on the copy. If you want, you can increase the number of copies, and if you want, you can reduce the size, enlarge the size. There are so many settings you can do. Once you are ready, click on the color or the black. So that's the copy. This printer has a USB slot in the front. So once you install a USB, if you have photos, you can just print photos with that. With this printer, you can print a lot of photos. You have a paper tray at the back where you can just load the envelope, or you can load the paper or photo paper. It's a good option to use this to print photos, because if you are not printing photos regularly, you can load the plain paper in these trays and you can just load the photo paper on the rear tray. That's the complete setup of the printer. We just connected it with the Wi-Fi network of our home or office, and then we installed it in our smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. If you want to install it in Windows laptop or MacBook, overall I can say this is a good printer for the business. If you have a small business, you can use it. Even if you want to use it at home, you can use it to print large number of printouts and photos. Thanks for watching.